Hi, my name is Eva Tudor-Jones. I've just completed a professional graphic design course online with Lead Academy. It was really fantastic to be able to learn this new skill right from home, which is really good in these times. The online learning portal was really thorough and helped me progress with my course. Each module that I did with the course was very interesting and very easy to follow. So I would definitely recommend Lead Academy to any friends or family wanting to learn a new skill. In fact, I loved it so much I've just enrolled in another course. It was that great. So yes, my overall experience with Lead Academy was fantastic and you should do it too.